Hey guys, this is going to be a quick little update video, and I might as well show you a trick here that I am using when my Windows 7 fails in the kind of hoovering thing. So if you go ahead and hover over your icons there, and then you go down, and then you go away, and then if still you have the color on, then you know you need to restart your Explorer process, because it fails, It shouldn't be any color here. And you can also see the hoovering text, and that's kind of, I hate it. So what I do is I just click on E, Explorer, and then I just quit, and then I just go to new activity and run explorer.exe. So it should pop back up. And as you see now, the thing had disappeared. So that happens to me kind of a lot. So I really hate it. But anyways, this is going to be a quick little update video. I really reached 250 subscribers. I went to sleep yesterday, and I had 248 subscribers, and I woke up 3 more subscribers. So that's awesome. So I haven't changed this yet. I think I have. Weird. Okay, so we need to go and edit it, because I did edit this. Maybe I forgot to save it, so we might as well copy this one. Oh my god. Copy. And then we just can change this to 250, and the date to the 4th of the 8th. Yeah. So save changes. Oh, so you need to click twice. Oh, that's weird. But yeah, so I am soon 500, or not soon, maybe 2 months. I really hope I can get to 500 in 2 months. That would be really awesome. Because I get like 3 subscribers every day. So in 2 months I should be getting 180 plus 251. Okay, so maybe I should hope for 450. But yeah. So, oh yeah, one more thing before I end this video. I am going to make some more cool videos like this, but I'm not sure how long time I can do this, because I'm not God. I don't have millions of these videos, but I'm just still going to upload videos that I feel I like to do. And one more thing, YouTube is being weird. Yes, because always now when I go and check on my views here, I get always under 100. But then if I go and check my insights, you can see here, I almost, I'm here around 150. And I've also seen on some people that have uploaded videos that YouTube is showing up their videos in other people's subscriptions bars, like 5 or 6 hours later than it should be. So YouTube is acting kinda strange now. So don't trust too much on this one. I usually just trust on my accounts, and then this video views, because it always shows the right thing, I guess. And it's not updating always, it may be updating once every hour or so. So yeah, but it's awesome, because that's correct. So yeah, I'm just going to end this video now, and I see you guys later. Bye.